Jules!
Have you changed your mind yet? It's up to you, Julia. Does he live or does he die? Say it, Julia. Speak and I'll stop. Just say you belong to me.
She knows I'd rather die than hear that shit. Just as I know that she'd rather die than say it.
If that's the way you want it. I hate to do this to an old friend, but I'm afraid you've left me no choice.
No more!
Say it.
No, Julia.
I'm yours, Shin.
Louder. Much louder. When you whisper like that, it's hard for me to believe that you're sincere, so say it again, but this time with feeling. Make me a believer. Julia?
Shin!
Say the magic words! Bubbly, bubbly, boo!